This year, I didn't just gain fluency, I actually stepped into teaching English, and yes, I started my own venture also. A girl once who hated English is now earning through it, and that's how far I have come. And now, how it happened? What kind of magic happened with me? Let me spill some beans here. See, the answer is not subjective. I will not stress this video and giving you lecture. I will just give you straightforward answer. I stopped procrastinating. I pulled myself together and kept showing up every single day, come rain or shine, whether I'm getting results or not. And eventually, all that consistency started paying off. That's how I have come a long way. Top of all this, as a woman, I deal with hormonal changes every month and mood swings that sometimes don't even make any kind of sense to me also. I get frustrated that why am I having a lot of mood swings? A year ago, if I tell you the thing, I used to surrender to mood swings. If my mood said and if my mind said that कि आज मन नहीं कर रहा है, आज मन नहीं है ये काम करने का, I would stop everything there. I would drop everything there. But now I don't let excuses manipulate me. I stick to my plan, come rain or shine, and I don't let my mood decide my discipline. I know it's easier said than done, but this year I took on multiple challenges and actually finished them successfully. Even right now, I am, middle of another challenge. And I am pushing through it with the same consistency, no drama, no excuses, just work and work. It literally gave me a butterfly effect. And one more thing, your consistency should not be like fleeting. आज कर लिया, कल मूड नहीं हुआ, परसों भूल गए, फिर फोर्थ दिन से फिर से चालू किया. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. योर कंसिस्टेंसी शुड नॉट बी लाइक फ्लिटिंग. आज चालू किया है तो स्ट्रेट रखो इसको. 21 डेज का चैलेंज लिया है तो उसे करो, कम रेन और शाइन. आई प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश एवरी सिंगल डे फॉर आवर्स. I posted videos with consistency. I wrote scripts even though I was exhausted. I took classes for 10 hours straight, come rain or shine. Even on the days when I didn't feel like, आज मन नहीं है, even on those days I worked on myself and I completed my all the task. And despite my health issues, I worked on them instead turning a blind eye. Because what happens whenever we start on, working on our goals, so then we neglect our health. But you don't know, this is the body which can, help you to accomplish your task. So first of all, you need to work on your health. So basically, I forced myself out of my comfort zone. One major thing I noticed was that I used to waste so much time obsessing over results, something that I couldn't even control. And honestly, that's a huge drain of human energy. So why would I waste my energy thinking about something that isn't even my hands? The only thing truly in my hands is showing up every single day. I thought let everything take its own course of action and let me do my work. मुझे मेरा काम करने दो, मुझे रिजल्ट मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, that's it, देखा जाएगा वो सब. Let me do my work. Therefore, I started investing that energy into the actual learning process. And honestly, that's the real secret behind my fluency, everybody's fluency, and behind everything that successful people have achieved so far. I understand not all of us are natural born winner. However, we can build this talent. Talent is built through relentless consistency, not from luck. ओके, टैलेंट के साथ कोई जन्म नहीं लेता है. टैलेंट हमें यहाँ बनाना पड़ता है, घिसना पड़ता है खुद को. देन यू बिल्ड दैट टैलेंट्स. राइट नाउ यू सी द फ्लुएंसी, माई फ्लुएंसी और एनीबडीज फ्लुएंसी, यू आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय. जन्म से ही वो फ्लुएंसी नहीं मिल गई थी. नॉट ऑल ऑफ अस आर नेचुरल बॉर्न विनर. सबको नहीं मिलता ये कॉन्फिडेंस. रियासत ही बोलते ना, आई थिंक हिंदी में. सबको नहीं मिलता वो. यू हैव टू बिल्ड हियर after coming into this world. And honestly, that's the real formula for achieving anything in your life.